All right, we're going to hit question number 9. First it says here VST is this. So let's find out where VST is. VST, now that's this whole big angle right here, right? This whole big angle is 5x plus 23, okay? And then the other one it gives me is VUT. VUT, well, that's interesting. These are, okay, so VUT is this big angle. Now, before I even incorporate this one, I'm already like, wait a minute. Those angles are opposite angles of a parallelogram, so they're congruent. So I'm going to find x before I even try to figure out what the rest of the question is asking, because I know that these are equal to each other, okay? So that's an important thing. Notice, I haven't even looked at what I'm trying to find yet. I just noticed that when I was labeling what's given, I said, oh, those are the same size of angles, so I can find out what x is. So let's subtract 5x from both sides, and I get 23 equals 3x minus 49. I'm going to add 49 to both sides, and I get 3x equals, then 49 plus 23. I'm not going to do that in my head there. 49 plus 23 is 72. Divide both sides by 3, and I get 24. All right, so my x is 24, but the question says find angle SVT. So S is there, V is here, T is right there. So it wants to know this angle right there. Okay, this is the one it's asking for. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this 24, I'm going to plug it back in here to find out what this actual angle is right here. So I could, either one of those is the same. So I'm going to plug it into the 5x plus 23. So 5 times 24 plus 23. So 5 times 24 plus 23 is 143 degrees. So this actual angle is 143 degrees. That's this big angle. Which means the angle next to it, right, if I'm ignoring the diagonals for a minute, the angle next to it would be 180 minus that, which means it's 37 degrees. So this big angle here is 37 degrees, right? 143 plus 37 makes 180, which means this big angle here would be the same as this one, 37. And since this much of it's 20, wouldn't this side be 17? So SVT is 17 degrees is my final answer for this question. Now that was a lot of information coming at you really fast, so you may need to rewind that, pause it as it goes, and see if that makes sense to you. Hopefully it does. If not, ask me directly.